Zoho Desk Lookup Field. Hello everyone! Welcome to the video on lookup fields in Zoho Desk. In this video, we'll take a look at what a lookup field is and learn how to create one. What is a lookup field? A lookup field helps to associate records to establish a relationship between two modules. Now let us understand this with an example. A travel agency called Zilker uses Zoho Desk to manage their customer support. They use Zoho Desk's ticket module to capture and track customer issues, and a custom module called Tour Packages to manage information about their travel offerings. To add more context to customer issues, they want details of the relevant tour package to be available in the ticket. Let's see how to add the tour packages lookup field in tickets, step by step. In Zoho Desk, go to Setup and select Layout and Field from under Customization. Click on the ticket layout you want to customize. Locate the lookup field in the Fields tray on the right. Drag and drop it into the required position on the layout. Specify the name as Tour Packages and select the Tour Packages module in the Module to Lookup field. A subtab with the name Tickets will be created in the Tour Packages module to display a list of tickets associated with a tour package. You can also rename the subtab here. If you wish to mark the Tour Packages lookup field as mandatory, toggle on the Mark as Required option. Using this option here, you can display a tooltip in the Tour Packages lookup field to give additional information to help users select a value. After furnishing these details, you can save and start using the field. The created lookup field will be available in the ticket form. To see the Tour Packages lookup field in action, let's edit an existing ticket. Click on the Edit icon in the ticket. Scroll down and locate the Tour Packages field. If you click on the search icon next to it, a pop-up containing all the records from the Tour Packages module will open. We call this the Lookup table. From here, you can select a tour package to associate with the ticket. Now let's look into the advanced settings of Lookup. Filter Lookup Records. This option lets you shortlist the records that must be displayed when a user looks up a record. After enabling the option, you must specify the filter name, condition, and the message to display when no records match the condition. You can check this option that you see here if you want to display all records in an additional tab, along with the filtered records as separate lists to the user when they're looking up. Next is the display and search preferences. They will govern how tour packages appear in the Lookup table and record suggestions pop up. Specify the fields using which tour packages can be searched. Then, select the parameter based on which the packages must be sorted. Finally, specify which fields of the tour packages should be used as columns in the Lookup table. The last option from Advanced Configurations is Autofill the layout fields with values from the selected lookup record. It lets you map fields from the selected module to fields in the current form, so that when a tour package is associated with a ticket, its values will be autofilled in the corresponding ticket fields. You can do this to make details of the tour packages readily available as a part of the ticket itself. All the advanced configurations will start applying to the Lookup field once you save it. The Lookup field is all set and ready to use. You can find it Ticket Properties panel and the ticket form. A tab called Tickets will be created in the Tour Packages module. It will list all tickets associated with the selected tour package. And that's a wrap. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.